Ready?
No, dude, it's wasting.
Record it. Here, hold up. No.
What? Ah!
Fernando, te estamos viendo para acá. Tricky. Fernando, agarra Cristina. Ale, stop recording. No, keep recording. Hey, put that thing like. Oh. Águila. You can't even think. Okay, thanks.
Oh! Dude, did you hit your knees? Look like it hurt.
Wait. Oh!
Dude,
Hold up. Oh, I gotta watch.
you went big time bad. Look at your nipples all red. Red nipples.
Look at my oh shit.
Hey, move.
I think I should wet it first. No, he's going
just go.
It's like it has plastic. Oh shit. Oh fuck, look, it's already.
Red nipple. Show the camera your red nipple.
Oh! I should know the crack. You put it like that. What are you gonna do with that?
Smack his ass.
You're gonna go on yours. No, you're gonna slide off yours. Go. Well, you have mine. I wanna hit my head.
That's gonna do
This is
anything.
like my helmet. Go.
Oh!